To see that today our president and his ministers are now campaign managers of coronavirus products. Those products you can see there, they are washing their hands, whatever. If you watch, you find that they are manufactured somewhere. There, where they are manufactured, they are managing directors, marketing directors, sales, and the other managers. So they are making money out of it.
Okay.
It is the marketing strategy of the world marketing managers, the whole world.
So do you
when I talk about the world, the whole world is covered. That we are talking about here.
So do you think
Africa,
the government is...
America and the other countries.
So President Mulyokela, do you think the government is doing a lot
they are working
to reduce the spread of the virus?
It is a question of reducing. It is the question of making those people have more money.
Okay.
Because a bottle, I'm just asking someone to say the bottle is now going, a small bottle at 18 kwacha for you to buy it. So how much are they making all over the world? Those who are selling that product.
No,
It is a marketing strategy. Let me come to the fact.
Yeah.
Coronavirus, whether they call it corona or whichever name, me, I'm taking only one word, which is called virus. I wasted my time going to school. As I'm speaking, I've got a big book from America. I'm also a lecturer in biology. So the book clearly says a virus, I don't care whether it's coronavirus, HIV, whatever, belongs to the virus. My book says that is a protein coat. It does not move. It depends on its host cell. It doesn't even reproduce. This reproduction is through the host cell by producing acid, which they release, which moves within the blood there. So if the white blood cells within the body is active, there's no poison that can go around the host cell.